Hello, my name is Hernan Fernandez, and we're going to troubleshoot the Ranger Policy Synchronization. First, we need to understand the Ranger admin and plugin relations. Check if the Ranger plugin is installed. Check if the Ranger plugin is enabled. Understand what's happening when you enable ACCL in the Ranger admin. Verify the Policycache file. Understand the plugin status information, and to know which logs to review in case of failure. To understand the Ranger admin and plugins relations, we need to understand each one of these components first. The Ranger admin is the web interface where you create the policies. The plugin is a piece of the Ranger software that runs on the master component. In the case of HDFS, the master component is the name node. The plugin will connect to the Ranger admin in order to download the last copy of the policies. As a result of this operation, a Policycache file will be created. Also, the plugin has two important tasks: authorize the HDFS operations and audit each one of those. To check if the Ranger plugin is installed, you can go to the master component Linux server. You can search for this RPM package. Be sure the RPM package is installed for your current HDP version. Also, using RPM commands, you can verify this package. To check if the Ranger plugin is enabled, first you need to check the Ranger configuration. In Ranger config Ranger plugin, you can check if the plugin is enabled. Also, you need to check if the Ranger plugin is enabled on the master component. You can go to Ranger HDFS plugin properties and check if the plugin is enabled here. Also, in HDFS side, you can check the authorizer class. In this case, the authorizer class is Ranger. One of the most common errors occur when SSL is enabled on Ranger admin. When you enable HTTPS on Ranger admin, the plugin may not be able to connect to the Ranger admin in order to download the policies. You need to check the Ranger plugin truster. In this configuration section, you need to verify that this file exists and also have the certificates to connect to the Ranger admin. If you are using two-way CCL, you need to check the truster and key store for the plugin and also the Ranger admin. The Policycache file is a JSON file that is downloaded on the master component. You can check in this directory the date and time of this file. That will show you the last update time of the policies. It's important also check the file size. If the file size is 0 bytes, the policies have not been updated. The Ranger plugin status information will show you the status of the plugin. In the case of HDFS, you will see three important columns: active, download, and last update. Last update will show you the last time when the policy was updated on Ranger admin. Download will show you when the plugin connected to the Ranger admin in order to download the policies. And active will show you the time when the policy was enabled on the master component. If the policy is still not syncing, you need to check two important logs. The master component logs, in this case is the name node log. You need to search for Ranger entries. Also, you can check the Ranger admin access log on the Ranger node. Here you can search for download attempts from the plugin. This information will give you an idea what may be filing under policy synchronization.